Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into products that claim to offer real, visible results. Today, we're talking about Dove's Body Cream Serum Duo. This regimen pack combines two powerhouse serums, the Niacinamide Even Tone Cream Serum and the Pro-Ceramide Repair Cream Serum, to address everything from dark spots and uneven skin tone to dry, rough skin. If you're wondering whether these serums live up to the promises of smoother, more radiant skin, keep watching. So, what exactly are we working with here? This set comes with two serums, one focused on evening out your skin tone and one dedicated to deep hydration and repair. Each bottle holds 8 ounces of skin-loving goodness. Both formulas feature a blend of niacinamide, vitamin C, Pro-Retinol, Shea Butter, hyaluronic acid, and Pro-Ceramides. They're non-comedogenic, meaning they won't clog pores, and they're free from parabens and dyes. So they seem pretty safe for all skin types. Niacinamide, a dermatologist-loved ingredient, is known for reducing hyperpigmentation and improving skin texture. The addition of vitamin C brightens the skin, and the Pro-Retinol helps with skin renewal, making this a great duo for those looking to smooth out rough patches and reduce dark spots. Shea Butter is the moisturizer's MVP here, leaving skin feeling soft without being greasy. Now, let's get into my experience testing these out. I've been using them consistently for about 2 weeks, and here's what I noticed. First off, the texture of these serums is light yet rich. The niacinamide serum absorbed quickly into my skin, and I was impressed by how smooth and hydrated my face felt after applying it. The Pro-Ceramide serum, on the other hand, was a little thicker but still absorbed easily, giving my skin that deep moisture it's been craving. What I loved most about these serums is how easily they fit into my daily routine. There's no overwhelming fragrance or sticky residue, just smooth, hydrated skin. I used both serums in the morning and evening, and they didn't interfere with makeup application, which is a huge plus. Over time, I saw my skin's texture improve, and those rough patches I usually get on my elbows and knees were visibly smoother. Now let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, these serums are great at providing hydration without feeling greasy, and they definitely help even out skin tone over time. The formula feels luxurious, and the inclusion of ingredients like vitamin C and niacinamide shows that Dove is putting science-backed care into this product. On the flip side, while the Pro-Retinol serum works well for hydration and skin repair, it didn't do as much for reducing fine lines in my case. If you're looking for a heavy-duty anti-aging serum, you might need something with a higher concentration of retinol. Also, if you have sensitive skin, the Pro-Retinol might cause some irritation, so I'd recommend patch testing first. As for value, the price point is fair, considering the size of the bottles and the high-quality ingredients used in both products. It's a solid deal for anyone looking for a complete body care serum set that works to improve skin tone and texture without breaking the bank. For those on a tighter budget, there are other serums out there with similar ingredients, but they might not pack the same punch as Dove's combination of niacinamide and Pro-Retinol. That said, Dove's reputation for creating affordable yet effective skincare solutions stands strong here. In terms of build quality, both bottles are well constructed. The packaging is sleek and sturdy, with a pump that dispenses just the right amount of product, making it easy to use without wasting any. The serums themselves feel luxurious without being overly complicated, which I appreciate. As for customer support, I've not had any issues personally, but Dove's customer service is known to be reliable and responsive, with an established reputation for addressing concerns in a timely manner. Now, if you're looking for something similar but at a lower price point, you might want to try the CeraVe Hydrating Body Serum or even the Eucerin Advanced Repair Serum, both of which include skin-repairing ingredients like hyaluronic acid and ceramides, but come at a more affordable price. So, what's the final verdict? The Dove Body Cream Serums offer an excellent balance of hydration, skin tone improvement, and texture enhancement for an affordable price. They live up to their promises of smoother, radiant skin, though if you're looking for more intensive anti-aging benefits, you might need to add a heavier-hitting retinol to your regimen. I'd recommend these products for anyone dealing with dry, uneven skin, or those simply looking to add a nourishing layer to their skincare routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below if you've tried these serums. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.